So if you're a freelancer out there and you use platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer, and the other types that are out there, this information is really important for you because hackers and malicious actors have been going so far to affect people's computers with malwares such as ransomwares or even viruses. And I want to share that with you so that you avoid being a victim, because being a victim of this, it's really dangerous and you might not be able to come out from it, or you would lose a lot, including your money and so many other your files and whatever it is. So everyone that takes a gig or a job on Fiverr is prone to a ransomware attack. Most people don't know this. We have gotten several reports here on Cybersecurity relating to this, either via email or via our website, and we've decided to share this with you for your cyber safety. So if you're someone that uses Fiverr or Upwork or any of those freelancing websites, I think this video is really important for you. So for example, you are someone that is into graphic design and you posted your gig, and then someone reaches out to you and says, please, I want you to do some YouTube thumbnails for me. I want you to design these thumbnails for me, but I have samples which I want you to go through, and these are the samples, and this particular sample is what I want my thumbnails to look like. So the thumbnails you're supposed to design for me should look like that sample on that particular site. And what they do is that, or what the person will do is that, or what the person did, because this is a true story. So once they refer to you to a particular website, that website might have already been, it might be their website which they've already infected with some sort of malware. And it might not be a website, it might be a platform to download something, it might be a mega platform or Dropbox link, or it might be any of these cloud services. And then most times it might be zipped and locked. You might be given a password to access the file. So they will tell you, go to this link, download this file. Once you download the folder, you will see all the files and you see the samples of what I want my thumbnail to look like. So if you're someone who is naive or someone who does not have antivirus solutions, I'm sure most people don't have paid antivirus solutions. If you're someone in that case, or if you're someone like that, if you go to that website and then download this zipped file that supposedly has the sample of what the person wants, if you download that and then you open it or you unzip it, your computer immediately gets a ransomware attack where all your files on your computer are encrypted. Remember I told you this is a true story. It happened to someone and the person lost access to all his files, including the gig that he was supposed to submit the next day. The person lost access to all the files on his computer because they were encrypted. So he had to start searching for how to unencrypt the files or how to solve his problem. If someone tells you to check a website and to see a sample of something, or to click on a link to see a sample of something, you need to be careful. Make sure you scan the link with tools like VirusTotal or your antivirus. Some antivirus solutions automatically scans the link. So make sure you do that. If you don't scan the link, please do not just open those files, because the moment you open those files, you will get affected. Fiverr does not know anything about it. Upwork does not know anything about it, because now they are communicating with you outside the platform. The best way to prevent this is, first of all, you need to get a good antivirus solution. Sometimes for those that are using Windows computers, and sometimes your Windows Defender might not just be enough. So you need to get a paid antivirus solution. You can get the one I personally use in the description. I use Bitdefender, which is good. You can use other ones that are out there. I'm just recommending the one I use because I know the effectiveness of the one I use. So aside using antivirus, remember I always tell you that your antivirus solutions will not save you, because if it is a new virus or if it is a self-crafted virus, those ones are always very potent, because the antivirus solutions might not already know that this is a virus. So sometimes your antivirus or your anti-malware might not save you. It's left for your knowledge. It's left for you to be able to check this link that this person is telling me to visit. What are the characteristics of this? Is it safe? If there's a file in the folder, look at the file, check the extension. If it's a Photoshop file, make sure the extension is .ps, because if the extension is .exe, if you don't check the properties of the extension, if it is .exe as an extension and you immediately click on it, you'll be affected. Don't be deceived. For example, you know how a Photoshop file looks like. Some people could just change the icon of an executable file or a virus. They could change the icon to look like a Photoshop file or an image file, and you would think it's an image file by just looking at it. But if you check the properties, you will see that it is an executable file. So the moment you click on it, you get affected. So this story of this person was really painful, because the person lost everything. The person did not have money because the person had to find a way to decrypt the files. The person lost the job because the person could not meet up to the time. And do you know the tricky part? The tricky part is that the person that gave him the job was the hacker. The person that gave him the job was the hacker. So the hacker did this so that he would end up paying the hacker. The gig was to be done for $500, but in the end, to be able to decrypt the file, or for you to get your files back after the ransomware attack has happened, the person needed to pay around $545, which is more than the $500. So if you want to read more about this story and what happened exactly, the ebook I wrote recently that covers all the risks that we face as individuals every day online. That ebook is really extensive. You can check the description too, and hopefully it will really help you, because you will learn a lot of things that you don't know. So I know some of us that are into freelancing might not have any interest in cybersecurity or online safety until we get affected. Most people are only bothered when they get affected. They prefer a cure rather than preventive measures. You see most people ignoring cybersecurity videos. You see most people ignoring online safety videos until they get hit. Most people would not watch this video. Most people skip this video. But if you are part of those that watch this video till this point, I think it's a good thing. Now you know that if you are out there doing any of these jobs and someone sends you a link or a file or something, you need to be extra careful. Most of my videos that I do on this channel tells you how to scan those files, how to scan those links, how to check if they are safe. I hope you found it useful. Don't forget to leave a like on this video and subscribe to this channel, because all the online safety videos we have will really help you in terms of your online safety. It's really important. If you don't want to lose your finances, if you don't want to lose your online privacy, you need to watch some of the videos we have on this channel. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to this channel as we teach online safety, digital safety, and we expose all these recent scams and tricks used by scammers and threat actors all around the world. So we would appreciate it if you join us on this channel. So thank you, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.